Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Apple Pay invoice via QR code. Now step 1 is just find the application called Wallet inside your iPhone. Once you find the Wallet application, just open it. If you don't see it, go to the App Store. If you accidentally deleted it, search here inside this section, just search the Wallet application and find it. And once you find Wallet application, just open it. And once you open it, you will see all the list of the cards that you have added inside your Apple Wallet. Now I don't have any card, so that's why you're not able to see. Let's say I just click on the plus button, and once you click on the plus button, I'm just facing any kind of issue. But let's say that you have added any of the card inside your Apple Pay, so you will basically see the card available inside this section. As you can see, this is basically Apple Cash. If you have added any other card, you will see this list. So just click on that card, and once you click on that card, you will see an option to create an invoice, or you can say the create pay via QR code. You will see the option, just click on it, select it, and after that you will be able to create the invoice inside the Apple Wallet. So that is the simple and easy process of how you can create Apple Pay invoice via QR code inside the iPhone.